Aloha all, Jackie here. Thanks for joining me today in creating a card using Stampin' Up's photopolymer stamp set, banner sayings. This is item number 167044. It also has the matching punch, which we'll be using today also. Thanks for joining me. We're using a designer series paper from the Lovely Blossoms designer series paper pack. Item number 167168. And then here, let me show you a little of the paper that I have left. Beautiful paper. I gotta get another pack. This is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. We're using basic white. This is a scrap for punching the greeting. This is for the inside. It's 4 by 5 1/4. Same cut or size as the designer series paper. Here we got Secret C. We're using the Secret C ink and this cardstock. This is the scrap. For punching, we're going to use a 2 3/8 inch circle punch. And this is our card base. It's cut at 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. And I'll go ahead and burnish that fold. Just like that. See, it no longer stands up. I'll go ahead and punch out my circle from a 2 3/8 inch circle, just like that. And this, I'm actually going to punch out my banners before I stamp. That's easier for me with this punch. This punch, since it's 3 banners, I don't know, I feel like it's a little sticky or a little hard for me. And since I have a little space here, I'm not going to waste that. I am going to punch out another banner for something else. Okay, and then I am going to go ahead and stamp. And this is how I believe I'd like my just like this. And again, Secret C ink, using Celebrate, Sentiment. So beautiful. Here's to you. Let's see if I can get that in the center. I like that. And happy birthday. Never have too many birthday cards, right? Oh, a little crooked. I'm gonna turn it over and try again. 2 sides to each piece of cardstock or paper. Better, still crooked, but better. And we're ready to put our card together. This is going on the inside. Let's put it on the inside. Center as best as you can. Just like that. This is going on the outside. And again, center as best as you can. And can you see that I can move it around just a little bit? Oh, lots of glue on the top. Because I'm using liquid glue, it gives me a little bit of wiggle room time. Now let me get the Stampin' Dimensionals. I have some here. And I'm gonna put it on here. Only on the center one. I just want the happy birthday popped up. I'm gonna take this and put it down here. Take this and put it in the center. Just like that. I think that's a little crooked. I'm gonna move it just a tiny smidge down a little bit. Ooh, I ripped the cardstock there. I don't know if you can see that. And then I'm gonna take these and glue them down. Here's to you. I actually want it here. Well, was it crooked? Let me see. Was it just me? Yeah. And celebrate on the top. Just like this. Or did I want it all popped up? Let's see. Can I take them off? Yeah, taking them off. I want it all popped up. Change my mind. Putting two. It's okay, it's a little wet. When it dries, it's gonna stick to it. And put that up here. Just like that. And now I'm bringing in some twine. Maybe double it. Let's double it. Let's see what that'll look like. Oh, but I messed myself up with that being doubled. Trying again. Okay, I like that. Getting some paper snips. Snip, snip. Getting some, let's see. I have glue dots running down to the bottom of my roll, but I still got some. And I'll put it right down here. Like that. And I got some rhinestones. Let me open the bag up here. Take them out. Take your pick tool. Sticky putty at the end. I'll use the small ones up here and a medium down here. Just 3. That's plenty for me. What do you think? Thanks again for joining me today. To order Stampin' Up products, please visit my website. The link is in the description of this video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Come back again soon. Bye!